this car right here. Look at this Bentley. This clearly is the new Bentley Convertible. And look at this interior, the white interior with the diamond seats.
Well, you would need a huge garage.
Bentley interior. Bentley just takes it to the next level every single time. I don't know the model, I just know this is a new one. What a beautiful car. And look at the size of those rims. Those got to be 22-inch rims on there.
Stick that back on for me. Oh, it's sticking.
Beautiful car. Look at this. All right, folks, this is the 1983 Rolls-Royce Corniche Convertible. The owner said that the car has 18,000 miles on it. With the saddle exterior, looking at the interior of the car,
Yes, ma'am.
you can still smell the beautiful brand new leather. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this car. In the spirit of ecstasy, nowhere has there ever been a more beautiful hood ornament. This is another Rolls-Royce. This is the quintessential Rolls-Royce. This is a Rolls-Royce Limousine. Absolutely beautiful. You can take a look at the inside with the chauffeur's window right here. Here's the interior with the top hat and the white gloves. The drinks on the back tables. When you think Rolls-Royce, one thinks of this car right here. At least I think of this car right here. Absolutely beautiful.
This is a silver ship.
And this one right here is a 1966 Phantom 5. Wow. Look at the interior.
So where are you?
The silver spoon set, the ice cubes, the mink coat, the opera glasses, the pearls on the seat. Imagine the memories made with this car. And look at the walking stick with the diamond on the top right there. This is a Land Rover. This Land Rover right here. People going crazy for him now. The market is completely out of control. It's absolutely amazing. But it is, you know, what the Queen drives. This is what Queen Elizabeth drives. You take a look at the Safari package on it with the spare tire on the dashboard. The grill guards for the lights so that nothing gets smashed when a rock comes up.
So do you want to take a walk? Oh yeah, sure.
Take a look around the side of the car. It's been well loved, as I like to say. 3 seats across the front, 2 seats across the back. All parts falling off this car are the finest English workmanship. That is great. And this car is well made. And they last and they go and they go and they go and they go. And again, Queen Elizabeth II drives one of these cars. This is her daily driver when she's out at Westminster. What's the place out there?
Oh, in Edinburgh?
When she's out at Windsor Castle, excuse me. When she's out at Windsor Castle, this is her daily driver. And she drives it around the property out there, which is hundreds of thousands of acres. Just a non-British car coming up right now. This is a 1957 or 58 Thunderbird. Yep, 56, you are correct. Look at that. at the Sunbeam Tiger. Sunbeam Tiger, powered by Ford. Dun, dun, dun. This is a 1967. If you ever watched the movie Get Smart, this is exactly the vehicle that was driven in the show. Absolutely beautiful little car. A lot of fun. I gotta go take a look at the signatures on the dashboard.
Really? Is it a V8?
Let's take a look here. Take a look at this car. You're gonna see Carroll Shelby is there. Dickie Smith. I don't recognize the other two names. Unbelievable. Sorry. All right, quintessential British car here, folks, with the Union Jack on the doors. Absolutely beautiful.
It's 9 years. Seems cooler under the tent. It's 9 years.
Wow. This is adorable. Little mini Austin Mini Cooper. $1973. There's a little Corgi. Little MGs. Another MGB. The British Racing Green Sunbeam Tiger.
Favorite color of Mrs. Auto Hound.
Mrs. Auto Hound, yes, absolutely. And there's this dog enjoying the grass. Must some of the grass here. These dogs love it. So, the wife and I are about to settle a long arguments. Ginny, would you please say what that states right there?
Austin Cooper.
This is an original Cooper. It is not a Mini, it is an Austin Cooper.
I don't want to have the whole Cooper, Mini Cooper, Maxi Cooper argument on video. But this is, I've never seen an Austin Cooper before. This is pretty exciting. And,
so there is the actual Cooper, and then there is the Mini Cooper. So therefore, we have determined Cooper, Mini Cooper. Cooper, Mini Cooper. They are both, in fact, available for the general public to purchase. So you can see that does say Cooper. Let's just zoom in on that right there. It says Cooper. Thank you, Mrs. Auto Hound. I just got the
discussion's
folks.
not over.
This is signed by John Cooper Auto Works right here. Funny story about this little orange car here. If you ever watched the TV show Chips when you were a kid, you'll have seen that there was a scene with Rosie Greer, the football player, and he could not fit into the car, so he ripped out the seat and sat on the back seat in order to drive the car. Imagine a 450-pound man ripping out the seat of one of these cars and driving it. One of the funniest things ever to see.
Tuxedo.
Watch out. That's the Lotus Salon.
There we go. It's a nice little car.
This is a 1955 MG TF 1500. This particular TF 1500 is, again, British Racing Green. And Mrs. Auto Hound, would you like to say a few words about it?
This car is a contender for my favorite in show. I love the style of the car. But more importantly, like, I can see the driver in this car with the driving goggles and the scarf thrown backwards and in the wind. I like cars that evoke that kind of feeling where you can actually see how the car would be on the road.
Right, so more of a nostalgic type thing?
More of a nostalgic, definitely.
Wonderful.
Definitely.
Well, thank you again.
You're welcome.
This is a 1928 Bentley, and they are getting in it, and they're going to start it up, so I must be a part of this. Listen to this engine as she goes. There it is, starts right up. First click every time. Unbelievable car. And here it goes. Beautiful car. 1928 Bentley just driving down the road like it's nothing. Started up on the first click. So another Caterham 7, but this one is all stainless steel with the chrome accents. Just beautiful. Nice job with the half tonneau cover. Keep it dry. Another one with the stainless steel. Another Lotus Evora. Lotus Esprit V8. How they shoehorned a V8 in there, I have no idea. And I believe the Aston Martin DBS is right here. You can see the paint and then the carbon fiber strip on the top of the car, really to differentiate it. And look at the size of this massive, massive V12 engine. DB11, excuse me. One of the most beautiful cars ever designed. Jaguar does that. They design beautiful cars.
So we are back to this gorgeous, what kind of car is this again?
This is the XK.
The XK.
E-Type.
This car is a strong contender for Ginny's favorite in show, and honestly, it's because of this gorgeous red paint job. The paint job just looks like you could dive right into it and go into another world and just really have some fun with this car. This is a stunning car to look at. I'm very, very impressed with it.
It's a very beautiful car. I'm going to go on pause for a second here. I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions.
Hounders, this is Ginny, the Auto Hound's wife, and I have been walking the show today looking for my favorite car of the show, and this is the winner. This is an absolutely beautifully maintained and well-staged car. Not only do I appreciate the look of the car, but I really got the feel of how it was used and loved and appreciated with all of the staging within the car, the gloves, the hat, the pearls, the bar setup. So I think this is Ginny's favorite in show car. Thanks for watching Auto Hound. And remember, it's about the drive.